Hello everyone, this is Monty's Courses. This is the HTML coding course, and this is the introduction. This is the first video. I'm going to be showing you guys just how to set up our project, and that's it. But for now, if you guys don't know what HTML is for some reason, it's basically the coding language that people use to make websites. So if you actually want to see some HTML, a cool thing you could do is right click and hit inspect, and then you can see all this. It looks super complicated. When you actually start doing it, it's not that complicated. It's just people make it look like that. So you'll see that later down the line. But yeah, this is what a lot of stuff looks like. Yeah, here's like title. See, it won't be that hard, trust me. So to make our project, we're actually going to be using Repellent.com. So if you want to do that, go ahead, type that in. And I'm going to create one, HTML, and we're going to name it Monty Courses. Boom. Create. And here we are. This is all we have. Now, when we load into this, you can go ahead and get rid of all this, because we don't need that. I'm going to teach you guys everything. And yeah, you click run to refresh it and stuff. And yeah, that's how it's going to work. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.